Basically, a customer could phone and within maybe a few hours we could be at a port with our doll system, drop the machine off, and basically we can be unloading a boat or loading a boat as quick as, you know, half an hour to dismantle the crane and then start working on the ship. Well, basically we supply 2 men with each machine, so we can work 24/7, basically just in a port, tip the ship, load the ship and back out, and there's no messing about. UK wide, anywhere at all in the UK and Ireland. We could be on site within, depending where our nearest crane is, we could be there within a few hours. We've got different attachments for our machines, clamshell, buckets, scrap grabs, spreader bars, just so we can work in any cargo, whether it's a bulk cargo or packaged timber or scrap, basically any commodity we can handle. Basically there's no material that we can't handle in a ship. Any size of ship up to 8,000 tonnes, we'll be able to handle it okay.